Our company is very proud to announce that we have our new partner. We are now ready to serve banking services like deposit account, savings account from all our outlets using their account from Union Bank.
Because of this pandemic, we have realized the need for a digital push. So since Union Bank has already been starting its digital innovations years back, we are very happy to be in partnership with companies who are also on the same path.
Now that we have a partner with Union Bank, it's getting easier for our outlet to deposit their funds so that it will be more accessible in your community.
This is just the start of our partnership with ACM. We are seeing a lot more in the pipe. And yeah, I think this would be a good partnership between us, and this would help ACM leverage on their digital solution.
We hope that this partnership with Union Bank will give you more income, and it will help you serve your community better.